The collection feature inside of PicoBerry is all about keeping your work organized. As you generate more and more assets, this becomes your central place to store, group, and manage everything. You can access it anytime by clicking Collections in the top header. Inside the Collections page, you'll see a button labeled New Collection. And clicking it instantly creates a new folder displayed as a card. When you hover over that card, you'll see two simple options: the pencil icon to rename the collection and the trash icon to delete it. You can create as many collections as needed, and you can even nest collections inside one another to build sub-collections for deeper organization. Perfect for separating characters, props, environments in different stages of a project. Now, adding a generated model to a collection is just as easy. From your main workspace, look to the right side where your model appears. Hover over any thumbnail and open the menu. From there, you can rename the model and add it to your collection or delete it. Choose to add to collection, pick the folder you want, and click Confirm. You can even create a brand new collection right from that window if you need one on the fly. Collections can be moved, nested, and reorganized at any time, giving you full control over how assets are structured as your library grows. Now here's a quick tip. While you're organizing, keep creating collections based on your workflow stages, like concepts, in progress, final models. It helps keep your workspace clean and makes it much easier to track where each asset is in the pipeline.